Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. This is the second set or the second unit of the series that I am trying to lay it out for you so that before going for the or appearing for the exam you can go through this set of vocabs, which I believe is very important and will definitely help you in your exam. So, according to me, it is a must watch for everyone. And no matter how many times you do it, I just want you to keep on revising it because there is high probability that you will get many words from this vocab series. Okay, so kindly don't miss it and circulate it among your friends too so that they can also get the benefit. Okay, so these are from the exam memories like people. So so I mean this words you can be very assured that okay they are going to appear in your exams. It has to happen. Okay, I have collaborated all such words and try to make a video series out of it so that it is very beneficial for you. Already there are 24 videos on vocabs that I have posted earlier. That is very important to help you develop the skill and be 100% more than 100% ready for the exam. But this video series, the vocabs from exam memories, it will help you in your maybe the last week preparation. Okay, where you just go through it and you know that okay you can be certain that okay most of it, I mean you are familiar with all the vocabs, almost all the vocabs that you can get in your exam. So this is very important and I urge all of you to keep on going through it as it is going to improve your scores drastically. I mean you will realize it after the exam that and be thankful that you went through it. I can only tell that. So let's begin with this set 2. So the first word is aggressive, which means akramak. Frustration, which means nirasha or kuntha. So you can use either of them, either nirasha or kuntha. Depression, which means avsad. Outburst, which means bhadas. Approach means drishtikond ya padati. So I would go for Drishtikond, which because I am very familiar with it. So approach means Drishtikond, or if you find that difficult, so you can even go for Padati or any other word that you feel that okay is a good translation of approach. I mean, so just a thing from my side, whatever words I'm using, I'm comfortable with, and hence I'm just pointing it out. But it's not necessary that you have to use the same ones. The main intention of this video series is just to make you familiar with the words that people are getting in their exams. Okay, nothing more than that. The translation of it, you can use it as per your convenience. If you don't relate to the translations that I am laying it out in this video, so you can use your own, but just make sure that it is the correct form of it. Wallet means बटुआ. Request for a new card, एक नए कार्ड के लिए अनुरोध करना. So request means अनुरोध करना because it is a verb, and new card means नया कार्ड. As simple as that. Existing means मौजूदा. Health insurance card, which means स्वास्थ्य बीमा कार्ड. So health means स्वास्थ्य, insurance means बीमा. Letter of credit, which means साख पत्र. Letter of credit, which means साख पत्र. Passport. So for passport I used to use passport, but it has been brought to my notice that we can use abhay patra also. So if you want to be 100% accurate in terms of translation and you want to use a proper Hindi word, then you can go for abhay patra too. Shifts, very important word, it means pali. Extra shifts means atarikt pali. Sorry, there is a correction. It is not atarikt badlav, it is atarikt pali. Just make sure that it is not badlav. uh, I'm very sorry for it. It needs to be corrected. I'm just saying it out. It means atarikt pali. Packers means बांधने वाला. the people who are indulged in packing up things, right? So they are called packers. So they are the people who or who pack the things. So bandhne wala. Supervisor means paryavekshak. I know it's a difficult word, but I relate to it, so I use paryavekshak and I couldn't find any other word for it. Impressed means prabhavit. Short notice means अल्प अवधि सूचना. Notice, short notice means अल्प अवधि सूचना. Short means अल्प अवधि, I mean जिसमें ज़्यादा समय ना हो, बहुत जल्दी हुआ. Diligently means पूरी लगन से काम करना या परिश्रम पूर्वक. Okay, someone who works very hard, so we say that he is working diligently or he works diligently. So पूरी लगन से काम करना या परिश्रम पूर्वक. Perform means प्रदर्शन. Extra payment means अतिरिक्त भुगतान. Enrolled means दाखिला लिया या नामांकित या भर्ती किया गया. So of course this is also a word, verb, and hence we are using दाखिला लिया या दाखिला करवाया, नामांकित किया या नामांकित या भर्ती किया गया. Fine, which means जुर्माना. Fine and penalty, something, I mean sometimes this occurs in a phrase, so of course both means jurmana, so here you have to use jurmana or dand because you cannot use the same thing like jurmana or jurmana. So penalty can also be used as dand, so whenever it is fine and penalty, just make sure that you use jurmana or dand. Guide, so as in when we are talking about a book, okay, a guide book, so it is margdarshak pustak. Guide, as in guiding, when we are talking about a verb, so it is margdarshan karna. Guide, when we are talking about as in a person who is a guide, so margdarshak. So I just laid out the three usage of the word guide. Okay, so you just have to understand the context and then do it. I thought that if I just give you one, so it might confuse you, so let me give you different context for it. Raise a dispute means विवाद खड़ा करना. Okay, dispute means विवाद and raise a dispute means विवाद खड़ा करना. Request, as I already told in maybe before, so request means अनुरोध करना, or you can even be निवेदन. Currently or presently, so it can be वर्तमान में और इस समय और प्रचलित रूप से. So you can use any of this, so everything is correct, you can use either of these three. Lease agreement means patta karar. Okay, lease agreement is very similar to rental agreement. Okay, there is only a minor difference, and you might be knowing about it. Lease is when you give someone your property and then they use it for a specific period of time. Usually lease we give it for big properties to IT companies, and I mean to factories and all, and houses basically which we give for rent. So and lease is basically your commercial properties that you give for rent. So lease agreement means patta karar. Kirayanama means rental agreement. लीज एंडेड मीन्स पट्टे की अवधि समाप्त हो गई या किराए की अवधि समाप्त हो गई. बिकॉज आई सेड दैट लीज एंड रेंट आर वेरी सिमिलर वर्ड्स, सो यू कैन यूज ईदर ऑफ दिस टू. आई वुड प्रेफर टू यूज पट्टे, okay, or patta for lease. It depends upon you. If you don't remember it, even you can say kiraya or kiraye, it won't be wrong as such. Bedroom, very important word. It means shayan kaksh या सोने का कमरा. So you have to be very careful about this. लिविंग स्पेस और लिविंग एरिया मीन्स रहने या फिर बैठने की जगह, रहने की जगह या बैठने की जगह, दैट मीन्स लिविंग स्पेस और एरिया. एरिया यू नो दैट ओके यू कैन यूज क्षेत्र ऑल्सो, सो रहने का क्षेत्र और या बैठने की क्षेत्र. लिविंग रूम और ड्राइंग रूम, सो दैट मीन्स बैठक कक्ष, जहाँ पे आप बैठ सकते हो, जहाँ पे लोग बैठते हैं. एम्प्लॉयर यू कैन यूज इवन ऑफ, आई मीन ईदर ऑफ दिस थ्री. नियोक्ता, नियोजक or niyukti karta. Whatever you are comfortable with, you can use. I have laid out all three possible things. So you can even say काम देने वाला. Okay, so that's what I want to tell. There are multiple ways of translating a word or a sentence. It's not that only one is correct, but whenever you are doing it on your own, just make sure that it is correct, because if you try to, I mean, put out some words which you might think it is correct, just make sure that it is. Okay, because it can hamper the meaning of the sentence. Recommendation means sifarish or anushansha. So you can use either of this. I prefer sifarish, but there is another word which is called anushansha. Reference means sandarbh. Confused means भ्रमित या उलझन में होना. Okay, so you can use either of this, भ्रमित और फिर या फिर उलझन में होना. It confused me, so I have just given you a usage of it. इसने मुझे उलझन में डाल दिया. Okay, you can use like this. Customs officer, सीमा शुल्क अधिकारी. As we know, for officer we use अधिकारी, and customs officer means सीमा शुल्क. Whenever you try to import or export something, so that time customs come into the picture, and hence सीमा शुल्क. Declaration means घोषणा. Declaration form, very simple, घोषणा पत्र. Cabin crew, this we are talking about aircraft cabin crew. So here it means viman karmi dal. Okay, very important one. Okay, because I see that most of the people struggle over here. Incoming passengers means आने वाले यात्रियों या यात्री. You can use like this. Okay, आने वाले. Instrument, you can use either yantra or vadya. Here we are talking about instrument as in musical instruments. Okay, so yantra or vadya. Musical instrument, vadya yantra. Okay, so instrument, maybe you can use yantra, and musical instrument means vadya yantra. Okay, term means karyakal or avdhi. School term means shalay कार्यकाल. Flute means basuri. Trumpet means turahi. Even I never knew the translation of trumpet, so just keeping in mind, because if it is coming in your Hindi segment as turahi, so you might be confused as to what it is. So that actually means trumpet. So guys, this is the end of set number 2. I am sure you'll like it. Kindly give a thumbs up if you do, and also leave your comments. Okay, because I would love to read them, and I'm sure it is going to be a lot of positive comments, because this is something I believe is going to play a remarkable role in helping you clear the NATE exam, because this is a collection of all the vocabs that you might get in your exams, and it is going to be a very crucial video series which I believe that everyone should go through. It is a must for everyone, in simple terms. And I'll say that okay, it is one of the most important in my channel now. It is going to be most important, because I mean, it will set out a very good platform, and it will increase your confidence to another level. I mean, because you will be aware of all the vocabs that you might get in your exams. Okay, so kindly subscribe to the channel too if you are finding it helpful, and also kindly share with your friends. Okay, so that even they can get the benefit out of it. So with this, I am going to end this particular video. I just want to say that stay home and stay healthy. Don't go out unless it is required, because we need to be together with our family and educate everyone, and make sure that okay, we fight the situation and come out as winners. Okay. Also, just enjoy the journey of your NATE exam. Okay, don't worry about it too much. Just focus on your preparations. Make sure you at least practice 2 to 3 dialogues or 4 dialogues every day. That will keep you in the groove, and you will see that okay, your performance is in, you may not realize it, but your performance will increase on a daily basis. And towards the end of practicing either 50 or 60 videos, you'll feel that okay, now you are very much comfortable with this exam, and exam will definitely go very well for you. So thank you so much, have a nice day, bye bye.